So the David Sheldrick Water Trust is a project that was started officially back in the year 1977 after the death of David Sheldrick, who was a naturalist and the senior founder warden of the large Tsavo National Park. After his death, this project was started under the management of Dr. Dame Daphne Sheldrick. And this project is still under the management of Dr. Dame Daphne Sheldrick and her daughter Angela Sheldrick. The project is taking care of orphan baby elephants and orphan baby rhinos with a view of reintroducing them back into the wild. That means that all the elephants that you'll be able to see here today are orphans, have been rescued from different parts of the country, all with different reasons for being orphans. Some of them, we know exactly what caused them to be orphans, that's why we rescued them. Others, we're really not very sure. But since we found them all alone at a very young age, where they would not have survived without the mother's milk, and also without protection against other dangers, that is why we had to come in and help to rescue them. A young elephant will need the mother's milk for the first 2 years minimum. This means that if they happen to lose the mothers when they're below 2, they cannot survive. They will easily starve to death or can be attacked by the lions and the hyenas and be killed. So that is why we rescue all those that are found when they are 2 years and below, so that we can hand-raise them here in the nursery for approximately 3 years before we start to reintroduce them back into the world. Anytime after the age of 3, we will take them to Tsavo East National Park. We take them to Tsavo because it is the biggest park we've got in the country. It has got a variety of vegetation with different groups of wild elephants. These orphans need to be invited in groups of wild elephants so that they can be trained on how to stay back in the wild, protected against all other dangers, and also warned against human beings. They need to be warned against human beings by the wild family because they've been brought up in the company of people. They might assume that all people are good, which is not right. But since they eventually join groups of wild elephants who have seen part of their family members being killed by human beings, then they will be able to warn our orphans, and our orphans will behave like any other wild elephant out there. That process of reintroducing